Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the world's smallest high-voltage DC generator. Tiny but mighty, this small device can produce up to DC 679 volts. These are the step motors, or stepping motors. They are also brushless DC electric motors. That means they can be used as generators. Let's look at one of them. The left one is two-phase and the right one is geared five-phase stepping motor. Geared stepping motor is not suitable for making electric generator. This is the 8-poles stator coil view. This is not a generator. It's kind of a motor. So we need to find a good coil winding connection for power generations. This is another coil test to find good electricity generation. This aluminum plate is the base panel of the system. I'm going to install 4 supports under the panel. It's time to install the driving DC motor. All right, Now the first stepping motor has been installed, and it's time to test the output. Power supply is now powered on. I'm increasing the output voltage of the supply. Good. The combination of black and red wires has a good output AC voltage. This is another stepping motor. The output of this motor is much better than that of the previous motor. Wow! A little modification produces an amazing high voltage. Now, let's install all 3 stepping motors. Like and subscribe my channel, please. Timing pulley is now being installed. This is the 3rd stepping motor. I am tightening the coupling screws. So now 3 stepping motors have been installed. This is the rectifier component needed in this project. Each motor has 2 output channels, so I installed 6 rectifiers. The reason I did this is that to combine all the AC outputs from the 6 channels, I need to convert them into DC and combine them all in series. Each stepping motor has 2 output channels. This is the final assembly of the system. The combined all 6 channel output voltages is DC. All parts have been installed. It's time to test the system voltage output now. Output voltage easily exceeded 100 volts. I am slowly increasing the drive motor control voltage. Now the output voltage easily exceeded 200 volts. Again, the output voltage quickly exceeded 300 volts. Surprisingly, the output voltage easily exceeds 400 volts. Now, already 500 volts. Also, the rectifier circuit board is fine. Output voltage exceeds 600 volts. The output of the drive motor is now at its maximum. However, the output is slowly increasing. Let's get closer to the camera and see how much voltage goes up. The RPM of the stepping motor is now over 4,000. I'm not controlling anything, but the output voltage is slowly increasing by itself. It might be boring to keep watching it, but please bear with it and watch it until the end. This slow rise in voltage by itself is a phenomenon that does not occur in normal generators. Through multiple tests, this increasing voltage stops near 679 volts. We're almost there. Wow! Now we've reached the peak output voltage. It's a great achievement. This experiment has achieved its goal, and it stops here. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.